Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove noise from an audio, in Capcut PC. So I'm just going to use my webcam mic to show you like the difference, because if I use my normal mic, you can't really hear it. So let's just record our voices here, and I'm going to select this as a mic. Okay. So I'm just testing out the audio. I don't know what to say. This is what I sound like before. It's pretty bad, so be careful. So I'm just testing out the audio. Okay, that's horrible, but go to basic, select the reduced noise first. This is all pro features, by the way, so keep that in mind. Then you're going to select enhanced noise to 100. And you're also going to select vocal isolation, and hopefully it's going to sound a lot clearer. It's not going to sound super perfect because of how bad the quality of the mic is, but this is what it sounds like after. So I'm just testing out the audio. As you can see, it sounds way better, but that's how you can basically reduce noise from your audio in Capcut PC. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!